Okay, we are looking at the Classify lab. So for you guys that are remote, there's going to be some things that you can't do unless you come into class. But what you need to do is you need to read through this, the background, part one. Even though you can't really do part one, I still want you to read through that because it's going to help you answer questions later. Part two, you're going to read through this and you're going to read each type of, like, the different little, how to classify fingerprints. And as you read through this and you see each kind, it says make sure that you classify each of your prints. Obviously, you guys can't do that. Make sure you're reading all of this, though, because since you're not here, you don't have a fingerprint record form. Part three is identifying special ridge characteristics. So read that, look at these, and then it says look closely at the large fingerprint on the police report form, figure 1. So that is this right here. I still want you guys to do that. Even if you open this in Cami, you can look through here and try to circle, like right here, there's a special characteristic. All right, so you're going to look at these. It says use red pen. If you use Cami, I don't care what color you use really. Just try to find examples of bifurcation, the enclosure, the short ridge, an island, and a ridge ending. That's what it wants you to do here. Obviously, you don't have your own fingerprints, so don't worry about that. And then part 4, identifying the suspect's fingerprints. Read through this so you know what you're doing. We are going to not do this part right here because I'm using all 6 people that were in class that day instead of just 3. So we're not going to do this table. What you are going to do is you're going to fill out this. So number 1, if I go and I click on this, I thought, okay, so if you want it to turn, you'll have to probably download this. I downloaded it and was hoping it would fix when I fixed it. But anyways, you're going to have to look at fingerprint number 1. And if you do download this, then you can, let me see here. Oh. Sorry guys, when I downloaded it, I was able to flip it. So I want to show you something real quick. Let me find this. Okay, now it just went back to how it was. All right, so anyways, you can zoom in on this if you want to. So if it helps to zoom in when you download it, goodness, there we go. So you can see this a little bit closely, and then once you look at that print, you are going to go and look at the fingerprint record form and try to figure out whose it is. All right. And that is it. Let me know if you have any questions.